Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome back to yet another video, and today I'll be reviewing my pool. Now, this is another episode of Jeff's Terrible Reviews. If you would like more of these episodes of Jeff's Terrible Reviews, just leave down in the comments your opinions, if you want more, or if you want me to stop the series. Or if you want me to do more Payday Fridays, maybe a Payday Wednesday, maybe a Payday Friday, or just, leave comments down below of what you want to see to do, or what you want me to see. Jeez, I cannot speak today. What you guys want to see me do. So here's my pool. It's very large. It's got crystal clear water. Got that filter. Got that one Japanese beetle over right there, if you can see it. It's pretty nasty. A bunch of these Japanese beetles keeps on getting in our pool. I don't know why. It's just that time of year, I guess. But yeah, I'll have my GoPro back pretty soon. And if y'all want to see footage from inside the pool, cannonballs, flips, stuff like that, just leave your opinions down there in the comments. So thanks guys for watching. Tune in next time for the next episode of Jeff's Terrible Reviews. Goodbye.